Alright guys, na ako sa Coastal Road sa Davao. Klaro kay nang buko travel pa ako, mamugoy pa ako parking dali. So anyways, di na ako makita pero di na ako mapakita sa ground view pero as in guys. Di na ako mapakita ang view pero as in chada kayo dali. Wait lang, muna ko ka dyan. So it's been how many days na now sa Davao. Still here. Then I dogs diri ba. Look it kay ito yo. Dadako kay jag naong ba? Oh my gosh. Ay nanganak diri nga ero guys. Doggies. Kita. Hila ka buki anak. Tagan siya doggies ba? Mga dog guys. Anyways, umanuban yung wala ang kulugante ko. Kasi I'm still unemployed no. But anyways. Man. Ngayon na sa days. Ano na ang call? Oh, pili bayabas. Bayabas bidiya bay. Oh, wait lang. Wait. Oh, pili may patungan. Ganito na. So, So, nana ko mag-pet again. Pangit na nga vlog ba guys? Siguro, okay guys, nami sa kuhan, nami sa... So, na si Jeff guys. Ikaw na mag-vlog ba? Sa maningi. Mag-yaw-yaw lang ako like this. Bitaw, ano. So, anyways, so, palit may glitchon and kacha. Puro. Hi guys. Ikaw naman mag-hi guys, ba?
Hi guys.
So, padulong na guys. Bye. So, lechon manok na pagkaon. Jeff ba? My boy Jeff. Boy Jeff. So, it's been a great run. They're gonna nakitabo and also at the same time like I think I've had enough. So, I think next stop na is Bacolod. So, we're gonna go to Bacolod like it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a crazy hell of a ride. Well, we'll see, no? And after that, we'll never know. What are you doing? Sona. Hi guys, welcome to Calix World. His world of magnets. Ano sayop man niya eh. Naman yung Soul Tower dali.
Yes.
Bull. Ito ni. Bulguksa. I don't know what that is, man. That's crazy, man. So I'm here. Tanawa na hulog. Kwa. Get it, boy. So guys. Yeah. Ay, hindi mo pa ulam. Awing isa. Krisa face. Where's your Krisa face? Hilak ka. Tanda niya. Yeah. Happy. Happy. Anyways. Tora, nung ni Krisa.
Huh?
Okay, all done na. Ta, let's go. Bye. Bye. Morning guys, new day. New day here in Magpet. So, ulit na day ko. Nili na ko og pet mags kay ningaw sa lola na ako. And I'm looking for a spot to pee. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh! Looking for a spot to pee. Tanga na ako, cellphone dali kay ngi ko. Just gonna pee, you know. So yeah, before I forget someone, pakita sa vlog. I want you guys to see the tomb of my grandfather, Lolo now. So just gonna go. It's kind of a bit cold out here, and it's kind of nice, you know. May isang kayutaan, guys. Oh my gosh, I rolled my ankle. So yeah, here's my lolo, guys. Nani samok. Ano? Oh my gosh, dagan kay ganun panulod siya. So lolo is here. This is my lolo way. So I don't know. Hi Lo. Well, say hi to my vlog. Basta nag-hi na siya. Nakadungog ko nag-hi siya. Nag-hello back. So, yeah. Oh, I think my hair is getting long na. Pero, anyways. Man, I think I don't have any plans to go home. But I will in a few days. Because ako mga parcel. Ako mga dapat ipadala sa Bacolod sa But anyways, man, I think yeah, wasabot pero marag talaga sa feeling bitaw nangyani. Oh my gosh. Kasabot ang gibate pero tsada kayo bitaw. So lo, I've fulfilled one of my dreams. I've ticked one of the boxes. So yeah, I love you, Virgilio Senior, the great. So lesson learned. If ever nga namin mga gusto bang buhatan sa kinabuhi, ano pagplano? Buhatan ninyo. Diba? Okay. To be fair ba, kung example, like, logically speaking, ay gusto buhatan, pero iba pang ginaplano, do you think may tabo pa na? Maybe, it will. Diba? Pero eventually, if puro ra plano yung ginaingan, yung wala kay action, hindi na may tabo. Just like religiously, accurate, no? Like faith without work is dead. If faith is seeing something or like believing in something that you don't actually see, which is something na di pa gid mahitabo. Pero once imo nang buhaton, put action on it, then it will be. Diba? And it's kind of crazy to think about it, pero that's the truth. If ever namin mga gusto kong buhatan ninyo.
But yeah, that would be it for this video, man. It's kind of crazy, bro. I'll give you more updates right after. Bye. So for today's agenda, no, me and Jep and I are going to Manubisa Falls. So marami kabalo, Jep at tuwa na mo karon. Okay, we don't have any idea unsa gid siya bay, but yeah, we'll just kind of see. I'm gonna take over ng vlog, Jep, please. Vlog. My gosh, nilahom bay. Katol siya bay. Rajara man. So we're gonna keep rolling till we go there. Like, would you look at this place, man? What the hell? What a heaven. Guys, we got lost, but we have a view here. Jep. So, nawala mi. I don't know. Basik pasulod pa to, Jep, no? O, na do sa Manubisa nga falls. Adari ang Manubisa nga falls. Namili ko, ano ni?
Nilikuan.
Falls? Ah. Ano ni muli ko ani dapit? Naipaliko niya kanang gamay nga paliko para kay sulunon, di ba siya? Sulunon ba? Ah, sige. Balik mi guys. Mahala mi. So basically, baktas mi ba? So like, we were just wandering sa forest na karon. I'm starting seeing things ba? But yeah, nawala yung jeep. Wala may gilamat pero mo. Frick, my slippers, bro. You're getting slippery. Mura magkukuha yung Jessica Soho eh. Samok. May nagsugos ako ang ani, buhat ko man eh. Anyways, bakit may sa mga dalan? Okay. May kabalo, asa may padung. Kamu nang dalan gana na mo. Mabalik kami. Kaya nga kung koy. Nako. So, I'll be right back, guys. So, we unsuccessfully made nothing. Looking about it. 100-minute burger. I think no, ang pinaka-murag tsada nga murag simbahan bilang like or ang ambience sa Sunday. I think it's far better here sa Kidapawat. Magpit na si Uncle eh. Ako first. And there. So like I don't know, like tsada lang gitsa din. Man, I'm gonna miss this view when I go home. Balay. Anyways, I'll let you guys go and we'll see. It is a good Sunday, good Sabbath day. So, it keeps better and better each day. Sa pagdugay ng day. Oh, wala pa. Mahulog akong helmet. So anyways, I'll see you guys when I see you. And this is like an update, quick update lang. So, bye! So, malamig simba, no? And karon namin sa Jollibee. Namin sa Jollibee. I really want McDo pero I think we should stick with the family. So, Jollibee may karon with a gang. Ano si Lula? Yeah. It's kind of lonely po. Aero ang aircon. Ano yung ginabayaran nga tax? Kasi connect sa tax aircon. Wala, init kayo. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Sabi ka crowded din rin murad. Murad. Ano yan? Feel the people. No! So, tapat na lang.
Payroll error.
Nag-video. Hi. Nakita ba nila ko? La mama. She's staring right into our souls, man. She's like... Uy! Oh! Oh! No. Gusto sa car. Murag si Crisalin, no? Kanikit sa man eh. Lagi nga mamo na kantsawan ng mga anak na. Yung mama may kakantsaw ka. Do you wanna build a snowman?
Ay, nagtanaw college. Samot mo na.
Kita niyan, tarak lagi.
Ano siya pagkita, uy. Samot na na. Ito mo ng sarap-sarap. Ilan na isa. Tawat na.